Hello. Thank you so much. You get freebies. I really like this. This is the width of my palm. Oh, I think it is. Chocolate covered, vanilla covered. That dark right there is the prison Alcatraz. This is an interesting place. I quite like it. Just to let you know how big this is. We are going to explore the Chinatown today, and I am just at the entrance. So you enter here and this is already Chinatown. It's a beautiful morning as well to walk. Now we are going to the famous Rose Alley for something really interesting. Oh, there it is. Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Factory. There should be a line. There is.
Yeah. I know.
This is the name.
You gonna walk?
Smells very good. And they have like chocolate covered, vanilla covered fortune cookie. It's not just the basic ones. Look at that. People are actually making it fresh here. Hello. Thank you so much. You get freebies. So we can make our own fortune cookies?
On the table, have another portion if you want to that.
Okay. Hello. So we can do, I don't know why they name it Kevin style, your own fortune cookie in a takeout box for $2 or $3.50 for 2 cookies max. Okay, let's just do the $2. I think we're going to write here, and then give it to them, and then they'll make it fresh for you. And I'm very lucky. There are not a lot of people today. This is a very cute box. So we do Jucardines over here. Oh, here? Hello. Thank you so much. They will take the note, put it in the fresh one. Oh, I see. Thank you.
$2.
Thank you so much.
$2.
Oh, $2. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I bought 1 cookie and then it cost me 2, actually not 3. But then we got freebies. I got 2. This is like not yet folded, so it's just like a coin. Then I wrote one myself. I'm gonna find a place for us to sit, and then I'll open it together with you. Hustling. Yeah, so she didn't have a lot of time to explain here and that. It was just very quick. It was a very quick experience. People come in and they go. Look at that. San Francisco is very hilly. Look at that. Gotta hike. I just hiked. It was like a 15 minutes walk from the Chinatown. Now this is like outside of the Chinatown, but I want to open this and then I'm finding a park to go. The 15 minutes walk requires the strength for like 30 minutes walk because it's hiking and it's very steep. Look at that car. I don't know if you can see, but behind these trees there's a tower over there. It's called Coit Tower, and I'm running out of breath because there are a lot of stairs I gotta climb, including this one. Oh god, there you go. There's it, the tower. Oh, that's beautiful. But now let's open this. This is the fortune cookie from the Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Factory. This is the freebies that we are getting. You heard the crunch? It's very good. Very crunchy, crisp, light, eggy, and just slightly sugary. It's not overly sweet. But this is the thing that we're waiting for. The fortune cookies. Cutie! I mean, what they did was that they get this one and then put the note inside that I wrote, and then they flip it all together and then made it into this one. Looks like Pac-Man to me. I don't know if this is how you do this. It's my first time, so... Oh, I think it is. This is the message. My handwriting. Life is full of challenges. That's why we need good food. The fortune cookies.
Yes.
Same flavor. But I think it's gonna be good if you wanna write it to someone else. I don't know if you can bring it back. I mean, very far. I don't know if it will get soggy or not. I would recommend going there. It's a pretty good experience. It's just they were very hustling, so there were not much space to communicate with them, talk, and I don't think they are very friendly. They're just like, yeah, here is your freebies, here, go there, get this, get that, do that, pay, bye. Over there you can see the Treasure Island. That's like the Oakland Bridge, I think. We can even also see the Alcatraz, the prison over there. So there, that dot right there is the prison of Alcatraz. It was said once to be a very highly secured prison back at their time, but I think now with technology, it may still be, but I don't know. So there's a cruise as well going there, but I'm not planning to go there. And from here, this side as well, you can see the Golden Gate Bridge. See? That one, the red one. This is an interesting place. I quite like it. And I think there is like a tram going down to the city. I might just take that. I don't want to walk anymore. I'm tired. Should I go back to the Chinatown and then get dimsum? Because I didn't think that this is gonna be way far from Chinatown. Look at that, the tower. So inside of it, there are murals and observation point. I don't think you'll pay for this, but you'll pay for the elevator going up there and then get a 360-degree view of the city. Look, there's a miniature. So I'm going to go get early dinner. I want to get dim sum in the Chinatown, so I'm moving back to the Chinatown area. Hopefully we'll get something good. Woo. So now we are in the Chinatown area again. There's this one legendary and OG dim sum bakery place that is called Good Mongkok Bakery. We will get their dim sums. So this is the place. Dim sum to go, of course.
Thank you. Yep.
Those are the options.
അവസാനം ഓർഡർ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട് പിന്നെ
Vegetable. That's delicious. Delicious and good. We got our fruits from here. They're very quick. They're just like get it and get out. That was interesting. This is a den of gamblers. Look at that. Everyone is gambling. Oh, that's very cute. I'll just find a spot just to eat. We got the dim sum. Quite a lot of them. For $12, that's a steal. This is the veggies, 3 of them. The shrimp, 3 of them, and the shumai underneath. They don't give you any kind of dippings. So no chili oil, no nothing, just this. That's big. Cheers. Okay. See that? I see the shrimp inside is actually a lot of shrimps here. Let me just show you. You see that? The shrimp? So I quite like this. The shrimp is pretty good, but it's salty. But the wrapping, the rice paper itself, it doesn't have any taste. So it makes sense that the shrimp needs to be a bit more savory, right? So that was good. The filling ratio towards the dumpling itself, I think it's fair. Shumai. The shumai is here. It's also huge. Cheers.
Oh, the shrimp is way better than the shrimp dumpling, definitely. Very meaty. Even the wrapper on the outside, the yellow part, it's not very thick at all. Oh, I like this. I think it's pork and shrimp because you can taste the umaminess, and then also there's like the texture of the shrimp. Actually, I think I can see some shrimp meat here. This is good. This is good. I feel like if I have chili oil, it's gonna be perfect. Last one. Let's try the veggie one. I wanted to get turnip cake earlier, but I think they ran out. Let me show you. See? This is the width of my palm. Oh yum. I thought this was gonna just be a vegetable, but it's actually shrimp and also chives. Very good. And maybe scallion. It's very fragrant, the scallion and also the oil coming from the chives. They combine with the oil from the shrimp. Very good. I really like this, the shumai, and then this, but the wrapper is actually quite thick for this one. Just to let you know how big this is, I'm going to do a one shot and see, my mouth is very big. Just to let you know. It's not hard for me to do this because my mouth is big. Yeah, there are a lot of good things in the Chinatown. I would most likely go there a lot during my 2-week stay here in the city. That's it for today. I'll see you again sometime soon. Bye.